Let's go ahead and take a look at rewrite results. I'm going to expand it. These options allow us to rewrite the output. So by default, we're going to see the content of this field. But if we wanted to add additional content, and not only that, but also pull in other fields that we're adding to this display, we can do so in this section. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can see that we have a list of replacement patterns down here. And we have a set of the fields that we can use so far inside of this content. So if we click on this checkbox here that says rewrite the output of this field, it will give us a text box that we can use to rewrite it. Now if we wanted to simply rewrite it using the content of this field, we could use, and I'm copying down here, this field dates token. Now this is again another instance of token. If you're not sure what a token is, go ahead and take a look at the token video to learn more about how they're used in the context of Drupal. But we could copy this and paste it inside of the text here, and it will display just like we weren't rewriting the field at all. From here though, we could mash up the other fields. For example, if we wanted to pull in the title and have that alongside of the dates, but inside of a single cell inside of our table view, we could simply copy this title section and paste it in the rewrite section and do title dash and then the dates. And then this will display them in a single table field. We're going to go ahead and leave this as it is. So we're going to uncheck the rewrite the output of this field. And we can also check to output this field as a link. And this will drop down some additional options to set the link path. And we can use an absolute path, which is useful in certain situations where our data is going to display on other sites other than our own, for example, an RSS feed. We can replace spaces with dashes, and we can use an external server URL if we want to link outside of our site. There are a couple of other attributes we can adjust for the link, including the link class, the alt text, the rel text for the rel attribute, some prefix and suffix for the content. You can also set the target. Okay, let's go ahead and uncheck this output, this field as a link, and let's collapse this rewrite results section. Okay, we'll go ahead and leave the more section as is and click apply. And this will reload our preview. If we scroll down, we'll see that we now have two columns, our title and our dates here. So far, we're doing good.